Hi, I'm Dawn Sano, and I work for Hillsborough Parks and Recreation. I'm here to show you how to make an awesome smoothie that includes greens, because we all know that it's hard to eat a salad a day, but if you could put it in something sweet that's delicious and quick, then you'll get what you need and you don't even have to lift your fork for eating a salad. So I'm going to get started by basically telling you we'll be doing 3 smoothies today. In each smoothie, there's about 20 grams of protein, including some vegetables. 2 of my smoothies today will be green. 1 includes kale, and the next one will be including some spinach. The great thing about smoothies, it does just take a quick minute, and all you need is a blender. Mine is nothing special, so I'm just going to get started. The first one that we'll be making is a strawberry banana green smoothie. And the trick about eating a green smoothie is that you want to put your liquid and your greens in first. So I'll be sharing these recipes with you later, but I put about a handful of kale in, like so, and then I'm going to cover that just with enough liquid to cover the kale. And this is unsweetened almond milk. There is already 1 gram of protein in a serving. And then I'm just going to mix that up. And this will be enough for 1 serving, but you might find that you want to take some time and drink it not all at once because it's going to be quite a bit. So let me plug this baby in. That never happens to Rachel Ray. All right, and put it on high. See how amazing that looks? So it's green, and that's our base. Now we're going to add to that. I have pea protein-based protein powder. And I'm going to add my protein powder. About a handful or a cup of frozen strawberries. And 1 banana. Overfilled it. But it'll still work. Let's see how this goes. And that's about it. So you can see it's this amazing green color, thus the kale. The frozen fruit adds a nice texture, and if you want to attain that same kind of shake-like texture to it, nice and cold and creamy, you can add ice also. I didn't add. You can add things like little boosters. This is extra vitamin C. This is raspberry flavored, so I add a little bit of something. So this is your strawberry banana smoothie. It's a green smoothie. Tastes like bananas. Okay, on to the next one. Hi, we're back. So this next smoothie is the protein base is Greek non-fat yogurt. It is packed with protein, and I'm going to be adding this. We have spinach, blueberries, banana, chocolate, and peanut butter. And the flavor of this is mostly what you're going to taste is chocolate and peanut butter. Like I said before, it works best when you're putting your greens in first and then adding your liquid. Because my yogurt is kind of thick, I'm going to thin that down with some just plain tap water. But this will be our protein along with the peanut butter. So again, I have spinach, yogurt, covering my greens. I know, it's scary looking at this happening, but actually it does taste quite delicious. Then I'm going to finish that off with some almond milk if I need more. So let's get that going. until you can't see any bits and pieces of the spinach that we used. And I'm just going to go ahead and add my bananas. About 1/2 a banana. About 1/2 cup of blueberries. These are frozen. And peanut butter. Coconut milk. A couple tablespoons of cocoa powder. And these are chia seeds, which are high in healthy fat and excellent also in a long-term source of protein and energy. So I'm just going to mix that up here. One of the things you can add to a smoothie instead of a frozen fruit would be, if this isn't the right consistency for you, you can always add more ice, some ice to it. And there it is. It's very chocolatey, and you got the peanut butter flavor there. Again, if you needed to have some, like a better consistency that's closer to like a milkshake, that's your green smoothie, chocolate peanut butter. This next smoothie is creamy pumpkin spice. It has fresh or canned pumpkin, organic canned pumpkin, frozen bananas, coconut cream, Greek yogurt, non-fat, and some protein powder that's made from collagen. There is pumpkin spice in it, and of course a little splash of maple syrup. When I made this the first time, I thought it wasn't as spicy as you needed, and it needed to be, and also it was not as sweet as it needed to be. So I added some stevia, and I also added some more spice. So you can decide. This is not a green smoothie, so I'm just going to throw it all in, which makes it kind of easy. So bananas. It doesn't matter what order it's in. I'm going to get my coconut cream, pumpkin, put in there, and Greek yogurt. And this is my spice. And again, like I said, I thought it wasn't very sweet. I'm not a big fan of adding a lot of carbs to anything, but I do like natural sugars, so like honey or maple syrup is a little better. Or if you're wanting to cut carbs and go low sugar, you can add some stevia. This is going to be too thick to drink, so I'm just going to add some more liquid in form of non-sweetened almond milk. And I'm hoping my bananas are frozen enough still that they're going to add that creaminess. So again, we can always add ice. Just going to blend. So there we have high protein. Tastes like pumpkin pie. It's good for breakfast, but like all smoothies, good for breakfast. But also if you've got a craving for something sweet, this is going to give you that sweet craving, take care of that. And when you serve, it's important to make it look good. So just put a little sprinkle of cinnamon. There you go. Best of health to you. Hillsborough Parks and Rec. I'll see you at the gym.